Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make a beat. Something simple, nothing too crazy. No. Alright, let's get started. First you'd want to start off with the chords and then progress from there. And then we'll just keep a simple chord progression. And then on top of that, we're probably going to add some, like a small melody. Alright, let's see what we could come up with. Alright, so that's what we came up with right now. Then let's see. I don't know if I want to add anything else, because it sounds really. Probably gonna add something underneath it to make it more ambient. We'll probably add some. I like using this. This is a good plugin. And then usually what I like doing is just making this into a sample. I can play around with it. Then we're gonna do some 808s. We have to find it though. We have to find the key. Alright, so this is with everything. It felt kind of dry, so I'm gonna add a kick. Alright, so I just added the kick. Let's see how it sounds. Sounds kind of muddy, so let me just fix that real quick. Alright, so this is how it sounds. Sounds kind of out of tune. Hold up. That's much better.